It's not the crying matter. You tell me who got you pregnant, and I will take the baby out of you. Who got you pregnant? I said, who got you pregnant? No. What do you mean, no one? No. What is no? No. Who got you pregnant? No one. So how did you get pregnant? How did you get pregnant in my house? Who got you pregnant? Is it my husband? No. Is it James? No. Oh, you have a boyfriend. So you came to my house to keep boyfriend, eh? I will beat out this baby. Stupid girl. I will come to my house.
What's going on?
Honey, thank God you're back because I cannot handle this girl alone. Can you imagine this girl is pregnant? Our house girl is pregnant.
What?
Yes? Ask her.
You?
Deny it, my husband is back, deny it.
Queen?
Ask her before I beat the hell out of her.
Queen? You're no longer a virgin? Queen? Wait, she's pregnant? Oh, it was me. Queen! Okay? Just relax. No violence. It's okay, I got this. Now you, listen to me.
If you don't answer,
shut up right now. Honey, it's okay.
If you don't answer, I will beat you.
Honey, listen.
Stupid girl. Let her start talking.
Relax. How you sit down? I said sit down! You know me, okay? You know I don't take rubbish. You understand me? I don't take nonsense, alright? I D-O-N-T, don't take nonsense. Nonsense means absolutely nothing to me. So, you will start answering me because if you do not tell me and my wife here who got you pregnant, trust me, you won't like where you're going. Do you understand me? Now, who got you pregnant?
My friend, start talking and stop crying.
What do you mean you're pregnant for me? What do you mean by that?
You seriously asking me that?
I'm asking you that? What do you mean by that?
I haven't slept with another man since I started working here except from you.
Okay, so what are we going to do about this? What? Because my wife must not find out.
I don't know what you're going to do about it, but I'm not aborting this child and it's almost 2 weeks.
Excuse me? What do you mean you're not going to abort it? What are you talking about? What are you on?
So you want me to die?
What do you mean you're going to die? People perform abortions every day. What do you mean you're going to die?
I'm not going to abort this child. Never. Never.
I'm being difficult. What is this? James. How are you?
I'm fine, sir.
You're fine?
Yes, sir.
Everything is fine?
Yes, sir.
How is your father? Is he fine?
He's fine.
Your mother is well now?
Yes.
That's
Yes.
Thank God for everything. Have you eaten? No, you're fine.
I did cook something for his
Okay, I even smell the aroma, yes. Alright, James, you see, you know there is nothing I can't do for you.
Yes.
And since we have been living in peace, you have served me well.
Yes.
And I believe I've been good to you. I've been a good boss to you. Eh?
Okay.
Yes.
You're a good man.
Thank you.
I keep thanking God for you.
Thank you.
You have been doing something. You see that time when my mother is sick, that money when you give me that time, now God will bless you.
Amen.
I can do anything for you.
Amen. I believe so. Okay? So now, there's a situation in this house right now.
Situation?
Yes, a very big situation.
Okay,
But small, but a big situation.
Let me...
Yes. Sorry. The situation is that Queen is pregnant.
Queen, the maid?
Yes, she's pregnant.
She's pregnant?
Yes.
Hey! I said it! That girl is a spoiled girl. Eh? So, she dey knack. Hey! This girl has been pretending that she's a virgin when it comes to me. Without knowing that she knows how to knack. Hey! If Madame finds out, Madame will kill her or chase her out from this house. And it will never be good for that man that pregnant her. That man that carried this maid put for me, they knack him. It will never be good for that man. That man go suffer till he die. You see that man, he go suffer till he die. Person go pregnant his wife. Pregnant his
Stop it! Stop it! What's wrong with you? Stop
that
it!
kind thing.
I'm the one.
Hey, Jesus! Okay, now you do this thing.
Come here. Stop. Why are you acting as if you're not?
You don't tell your wife.
Are you stupid?
Sorry, sir.
Come back here. Why are you acting as if you never cheated? Are you not a man?
Okay, I don't fear you today. Now you do this thing.
It's okay.
Sorry, sir.
Anyway, what I need you to do is, for you to, take responsibility. Yes. If anything that happens, don't worry, madam will find out, but I'll cover you up. I am the owner of this house, I'm the man of the house, so I'll cover you up. Okay, just take responsibility, that's it.
I want to beg you for something. I am too small to carry this kind of responsibility. I am just at 5 years old. I know what I'm going to pass through. Please, I cannot take this responsibility.
Relax.
That's why I never married.
It's okay. It's okay. I'll give you 30,000. It's okay just for you to, just cover up this thing. And I'll cover you up. It's okay. I'll give you 30,000.
You give me 30,000?
Yes. Don't worry. I'll give you 50. I'll give you 50,000. 50,000.
That's why I said they come.
Don't relax now. What's wrong with you? Okay. I'll give you 70. At least 70,000. That's something. Come on, that's bigger than your salary. What is wrong with you?
Calm down. Let me tell you something. Do you actually know the problem you want to carry for my head? That problem is too much.
Alright, not too.
Wait, make I tell you. Okay, can you give me 450,000?
What do you mean by 450,000?
Your wife, I fear her.
My friend, stop this nonsense. What do you mean by 450,000? Have you made 450,000 in your life before? What do you mean by 450,000? For what? For what?
Okay, they come.
Sorry, my friend. My good friend.
Eh?
Relax. Look at the way I'm chasing you up and down. Come on.
Okay, the problem when you carry one
it's
food
okay.
for my
I'll
head
give
is
you
too much.
200,000. I'll give you 200,000. That's okay.
200,000.
200,000. I'll cover you up. That's okay. Please. 200.
Okay, wait. I want to tell you something. That money where you mentioned now, 200.
Yes.
Is good, but I want to beg you for something inside. If I'm going to take the money and take this responsibility, you give me that money in bulk. You will not give me 30,000 because you sabi do that.
So you don't want it?
That's
how much more useful to you.
Too much. I need it bulk.
Okay, I'll give you.
You can use and do something
I'll
for
give you in
village.
bulk. It's okay. It's alright.
You give me in bulk.
Yeah, I'll give you in bulk.
Okay, I want to beg you for. Wait, Oga.
What?
Hope you, madam, no chase me out from this house.
I said I'll cover you up.
You cover me.
Yes.
Up. So nobody will beat me.
Nobody will beat you for what?
You sure?
For what? Nobody will beat you.
Nobody
will
beat me. Okay, come. No. There's something important. There's something important. Both sides they fear your wife. That woman, they fear her. Like now, is it for like 1 week I'll carry this responsibility, or for how long will I carry it?
Until everything settles.
Hey!
Yes.
Okay. Do you know what you're saying? So, if now 2 years will they settle this
matter? What do you mean by 2 years? Is she going to give birth in 2 years? What are you talking about?
9
she carry pregnancy.
9 months is too much for that money.
It's okay. I said everything will settle down. Cool down. Relax. Relax.
So when you go give me,
you will get this one. Don't you trust me again? It's your problem.
Okay, I will.
Relax. Okay. You get the money. Okay.
So now you know this thing. God will punish you. I'm not going to carry this thing. God will punish you.
Okay. Just calm down. Calm down. Look, I've discussed with James, okay? He's going to take responsibility.
He agreed?
Yes, he agreed.
No.
What do you mean by no?
James cannot be trusted. He's like a chameleon.
Well, he's our only option right now, okay? I've made him an offer he can't refuse. That's it.
Honestly, I'm not buying this idea.
You have to buy it. What are you all about? You have to buy it. Listen. You cannot spoil my marriage now. No.
Your marriage? Now you're thinking about your marriage, right?
Stop this now. Stop being difficult.
It's about your marriage.
Stop being difficult, please. James will handle this for now. James is the only... I can't take it out of the circuit right now. James will take responsibility till we, move on with this, okay? Fine, please.
Your marriage.
Don't bring this up. Stop being difficult now.
Being difficult.
I'm sorry, but please. I can't take this out of here. It's James. Okay.
So of all the people, of all the men in this world, is that useless gate man you're allowed to get in between your leg? Eh? No, is that... No, come for me. James! Stupid James! James! Come. Come!
Okay, madam.
James, did we employ you so you can get our housemate pregnant?
Hey! Pregnant what?
James, if you don't answer me, why did you get my house girl pregnant?
Madam, I did not impregnate anybody.
Say what?
I did not impregnate anybody.
What are you saying? Are you trying to say that Queen does not know who got her pregnant because she said you're the one?
See, madam, I am 35 years old now. I can't be lying unnecessarily. I did not impregnate anybody. I don't want to take responsibility. Biko.
Queen! Queen! Come here! Come here. My friend, stay here. James said he's not the one that got you pregnant. James! Mama, he's lying. James, are you trying to deny me? Why are you doing this to me that James?
No, I heard something now. Honey. No, I need to handle this personally. Guy. No, it's okay. It's alright. James.
Honey.
No. It's okay. James, you stand and answer me. Now, did you get her pregnant?
I didn't hear.
I said, did you get her pregnant?
Okay.
Did he get you pregnant?
Yes, sir, he did. I don't know why you're trying to lie. He did.
He got you pregnant?
Yes, sir.
Then why are you lying?
Wait.
Why are you lying?
Wait,
James, are you lying?
Well, I'm not lying.
So you have the right to get my girl pregnant and you're still lying?
No, calm down. Let me tell you the truth.
No, honey.
I want to say the truth
You want to say the truth?
Yeah, let me
Go
tell
ahead.
You better say the truth right now.
Hey!
You will sleep in the police cell and you end up the rest of your days in prison. Alright? Now, did you get her pregnant?
Okay, I will say the truth. I will say the truth. I will say the truth.
Start talking, my friend.
Okay, I am responsible for her pregnancy. Yes.
You're responsible. You're responsible.
You have the right to open your leg for a gate man. Are you talking? You're here talking. You're mad. You've done something good, Abi. You've done something good. A gate man is the one that got married. You've done something. If I meet you there, if I catch you there. Honey, so in conclusion, I cannot deal. The both of them need to leave this house.
No. That's not a good idea now. Not a good idea.
What do you mean that is not a good idea?
It's not.
That is what is going to happen, my love.
No, come on. Look. We both decided that they would live here, right? We employed them.
No. You employed James. And I asked Mary to get me a maid and she brought Queen. Okay?
Still. We decided they would stay here. And please. Trust my judgment this one time, okay? You just have to trust my judgment.
My love, I'm sorry I can't. What's going to happen if Queen pregnancy grows? And James, are we supposed to take care of his responsibility and that of his girlfriend? No.
Honey, stop. The devil you know is better than the one you do not know. We can't start trusting people now. These people have served us well. Besides, Queen is an orphan. Mary told us that the very day she brought her here. Are we going to throw her or out with her baby? Is that what we're going to do?
Honey, you're joking, right?
No, I'm not.
I mean, what's your business with Queen being an orphan? Huh? I mean, she's matured enough to get pregnant for her boyfriend, so they deserve to live a happy life after, but not in our home.
I say no. You trust me on this one. We can't throw them out. It's impossible. We just can't do that. It's highly... No, I mean, I don't see us doing that. That's not who we are. No.
I don't understand the nonsense you're saying. I have said mine. The both of them will leave, and that is serious because I don't understand.
No, they can't just leave.
What
We
you
can't
say?
just
What
throw
you
her out that way. I'm telling you, we can't throw her out that way. No, it is wrong. Sometimes you have to be rational the way we think. Come on. After all, you go to church. Come on.
Mr. Felix, Mr.
afternoon, sir. It's evening already. James.
Sir?
Okay, I'm sorry, okay? Okay, you beat me. You beat me. This is not what we agreed on. I had to make this thing look real. That's it. You have to make it look real. Of course. This is over real. Look at all my body is paining me.
Relax, relax.
I thought you were going to mess things up. That's it. No, I can't mess it up. I was just acting. You know that I have to play so that madam will not understand anything.
But I didn't know you were going to. Part of the plan wasn't for you to play a little. No. It was just for you to admit immediately. Yes. But not to worry. I'll you know, get you some more money. You know, I'll give you something to take care of the pains, okay? Yeah. You did well.
You are still hitting me.
You did well. It's okay. It's alright.
Oga.
Yes.
What of the 200,000 you promised me? I have not gotten the money and you're beating me.
Not to worry, you get that. You get that. Okay. But that was a nice one. Yeah, but just be a man, okay?
You are still beating me!
Relax. Come on, be a man. Won't you not be a man? That was a good
one. You are still beating me!
Will you keep quiet?
Be a man. Don't worry. You get it. Stop me. I will get it. You get it.
Mr. Felix, Mr. Felix, what is your problem? What is the problem? What is the problem? Is it common you made? You dey protect? Tell us what's behind it. We are so confused about your action, Felix.
The coast is clear, okay? Alright, just go have a bath.
You said you were going to protect me. What happened?
Well, I had to engage James, you know. I didn't know she was going to beat you that much. Just relax, okay? I've got this. Do you know she's trying to send you back to Mary? Yes, that's what I've been trying to stop.
How long are we going to continue like this? How long are we going to keep telling her that the pregnancy belongs to James?
It's okay, just relax. I've got this, okay? I've got this. This is under my control. Just relax. Just go take a bath. That's all I need you to do right now, alright? Okay? Okay?
Your action, Felix, tell us what's the problem. Every night you quarrel with your wife, oh. Every morning you quarrel with your wife, oh. Tell us what is the problem. We want to know the real factor. This pregnancy here, we want to know.
Queen! Queen! Yes, ma'am.
Ma.
What are you doing?
Nothing, Ma.
Nothing. So you are now in my house doing nothing. You see how useless you've become, Queen? You're now in my house doing nothing. Eh? Since you do not have shame, you cannot keep those legs together. You have to sleep with an ordinary gate man. And now you're in my house doing nothing. Why have you not gone to pick my children from school? So you expect me to now remind you to do your duty because you're pregnant, eh? You want me to remind you to go and pick my children from school?
I'm not picking up, Ma.
Stupid girl! Shameless idiot! Animal, that's who you are! Come on and pick my children from school! Rubbish girl! Nonsense. Let me see how you'll be comfortable in this house.
Done against me. Over a mistake I did for some weeks. I was convinced to do so. I didn't see what is wrong.
Honestly, Mary, I am so disappointed in Queen. And to think we're actually making plans on sending her to the university.
I'm so ashamed. I'm so ashamed. If she must get pregnant, must it be for the gate man? That useless James.
Well, I told my husband that both of them need to leave this house. Because I can't deal. My husband said no. I don't know his reason yet, but I honestly cannot deal. I can't.
No. They need to leave.
Both of them, they need to get an apartment and get married.
I know. Mary, I'm talking to you because you brought Queen to me. But as for James, I'm sure my husband will take care of him. But they need to leave, really. They need to leave.
Listen, if you need to send her out, please do that. Yes, I will get you another maid. Since she has decided not to close her legs, what about your husband?
Oh, he's inside.
Listen to me. You need to act fast. You need to send that girl out from this house as soon as possible. She won't be of any use to you once that pregnancy starts growing bigger. You understand?
That makes so much sense.
Yes. Useless girl. Can you imagine?
I did for some weeks. I was convinced to do so. I didn't see what is wrong, though it's wrong somehow. But it's already a made mistake.
Shameless gate man. Idiot. You were employed to mind this gate, not to get their mates pregnant. Can you imagine?
Senor, why are you insulting me? Me, useless man. Wetin concern you? You dey pay my salary, this woman.
Just will you shut your mouth?
Come on, shut up! You dey here, she dey insult me.
You are a fool.
Madam, you dey here, this masquerade dey insult me.
Come on, shut up your mouth.
My friend, will you shut up your mouth?
She's not paying my
talk to my friend
salary.
like that.
You are not paying my salary. Mind your business.
Come on, shut up your mouth.
No, you. Mary, let's go.
Be idiot.
Come on, get out.
Go and manage, oh. Akadima Nnebe.
Idiot.
No go to see Ogonogo. Na Agaka. He just know the Nnebe now. Eh? If they come here, they deceive madam. I go tell Oga one day. Eh? Idiot. Look at the kind of big hair where she carry. You know the see kind of woman hair where others they carry. They come carry this thing. They come this house every day. Idiot. Tolo.
Mr. Felix. Mr. Felix. What is your problem? What is your problem? What is your problem?
Must you tell your friend everything that happens in this house?
Yes. Yes, I have to tell her because she's the one that brought Queen to us. She needs to know that the girl she brought into this house is pregnant.
Can't you keep things within this house?
Within our house?
Yes!
So Queen being pregnant is now within our house? For real? Well, Felix, I cannot keep it within our house because what she has inside of her is a baby. Eventually, the pregnancy will grow and everyone will get to see that she's pregnant, so I cannot keep it. What I said before still stands. The both of them must leave. Please.
Both of them must leave.
Yes?
I think I'll accept another girl in here as a date.
Why not? I mean, why not? You're my husband, of course. Because what I want is the right thing, so why not?
You know, you must be very stupid and silly to think that I'll accept another girl in this house as a maid.
Felix, you're the one that is stupid. You are mad, you are shameless, you are a stupid man to think I'll let that girl live with us without pregnancy. What is wrong with you? What's the meaning of all this now?
You've lost it.
No, don't say that.
No, I'm serious. You've really lost it. I'm Hey!
Afternoon, my love. Hey, Prince Charming.
How you doing, darling? What's up, Baba? You okay? Good.
I missed you, boy.
You have assignments, right? Okay, make it happen.
Yeah,
okay?
Come in.
All right.
Honey. You're doing so well. You too, baby.
Mom,
Yes, my love.
why do you always fight Dad?
Say what?
Yes, You always quarrel and insult him.
No. No. I don't insult your dad. Your daddy is just too stubborn, okay? That's all.
But that does not give you the right to insult him.
Baby, I do not insult him.
Yes, you did, Mom. We heard you call him Suleiman when we were coming back from school.
Joe, I'm sure you heard something else, not stupid, okay?
That was what you said, Mom. We were standing by the door listening.
You were eavesdropping on my conversation with your dad. No, that is really wrong. Okay, enough. Eat your food. You don't do that again. Eat. Jeez.
Mr. Felix. Mr. Felix. What is your problem? What is the problem? What is the problem?
Yeah. Okay, good morning, sir. Good morning. Okay, I no sleep last night. All my body pain everywhere. I'm really totally down. Honestly, yes. I couldn't sleep. I need some money. I need some money to buy drugs.
You need money for drugs?
Yes.
Okay. Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Alright.
Thank you, sir. Sir, sorry. What? I want to tell you something.
Okay.
Sir, I know you as a good man. Make you no change, please. Eh? That money you promised me, that 200,000, will make me they carry all these pains. You never give me that money.
What's wrong with you? Have I ever promised you something and I didn't give you? So what is 200,000?
I'm surprised.
Relax. Open the door. Open the gates, please.
Okay. What is the problem? Is it common you made? You dey protect.
So, Queen, you have been sleeping with Oga. That's why you refuse me, Queen. Eh? Now you don't get better, and because they carry the wahala for head. Eh? Shame on you.
Don't even try it. Don't insult me. You want me to sleep with you? What can you do for me? I'm sure you don't have money, and I'm also sure you don't even have strength.
I don't have strength. I don't have money.
You don't.
Eh? You're saying what can I do for you?
Yes.
Eh? You like sleeping with married men. Married men, they your eye. Instead of you to come to a single guy like me, and you would have enjoyed me better.
Enjoy you better.
Yes, now look at me.
If I ask you for money, can you give me money? Have you finished taking care of yourself?
That's so you talk.
Yes.
So you have been sleeping with Oga because of money.
Calm down.
So you have been sleeping with Oga because of money.
Pointing. Take it easy.
Now you don't get better. Oga cannot help you. Now me come they carry the wahala. You better come now. Make I do my own. Instead, eh?
Do your own what? So this is why you stopped me.
I want to do.
You want to do?
I want to.
This is why you stopped
so
me.
that I will close my mouth
You
shut.
are not serious.
I want to do.
Touch me, I will tell Oga. Just touch me, please. I will tell Oga.
You will tell Oga? Okay, I will tell Madam. Don't worry.
Turn against me. Over a mistake I did for some weeks. I was convinced to do so. I see what is wrong. So it's wrong somehow, but it's already a bad mistake.
Queen! Queen! Yes, ma.
You did not wash my children's uniform yesterday. I'm very sorry, ma. I forgot to wash them. But it's not obvious that it's dirty, ma. Please.
It's not obvious. Are you mad? Are you trying to call me a liar? Obvious that it's dirty. Can't you see? Is it not obvious that it's dirty? What's wrong with you?
Oh, please, I'm sorry. I'm very sorry, ma.
You're calling me a liar in front of my children.
No, Mama. No, I know.
Stand up. If this thing happens again, you'll see what I'll do to you. Oh yeah, take them to school.
stupid girl. You become so lazy that you don't wash my children's uniform again because of that pregnancy. No problem. Can you imagine?
Against me, over rings like I did for some weeks. I was convinced to do so. I didn't see what is wrong. Though it's wrong somehow, but it's already a made mistake. I will.
You did what? Jeez, Felix! You got your housemate pregnant? Come on, how could you? How could you stoop so low?
Guy, I know I messed up. Okay, but you know, I'm trying to put things in order, okay? I'm trying to have everything under control. Yeah.
How? See, Felix, you know your wife. Sonia will bring down the roof and shake the very foundation of your house once she finds out you're responsible. How could you stoop so low?
Listen, I've asked my security man to take responsibility, okay, for him to own up that is the one of the pregnancy, so she must know.
Wow. Bravo. No, that was a brilliant idea, you know.
Look, but still, she's still a woman. I know Sonia very well, alright? She's still insisting that, you know, Queen and the security man, they have to go, and if they have to leave as husband and wife, they have to do their own thing, but stay out of our house. But I'm really trying, you know, to stop that process. I'm really trying to hold on, you know, that's it.
How long? You see, bro, we have to find an alternative solution. Because what you have right now is just temporary. Oh, yes.
James.
Madam. Madam, good morning, sir. Good morning, ma'am. Sorry.
You know, I don't know what to tell you. I just want you to know that I hate you. James, I hate you with everything in me. So tell me, what should I do with you? Kill you? Or maybe I should poison you. Is that better?
Lord of Jesus. Madam, what did I do again?
If you ask me stupid question again, James. Now listen. Go inside your small chaos. Pack your things. Because soon, you and your useless baby mama to be will leave my house. And not even my husband will protect the both of you. You hear me?
Madam, why are you like this? Why for this suffer? Why they suffer for this house? Why are you like this?
James, come.
I should come.
Come.
I'm scared of you. I'm scared of
James, move forward. Now.
Madam, don't do me bad thing.
You're stupid. Come on, get out! I said get out! Get out of my sight! Stupid boy. You cannot keep your manhood to yourself. You have to pregnant my house girl and you have the guts to ask me stupid question. Nonsense. Rubbish. Talk to me again and you saw what I'll do to you. Stupid gate man. Don't worry.
For some weeks, I was convinced to do so. I didn't see what is wrong, though it's wrong somehow, but it's already a made mistake. I will remember you just the way you want me to. Treat me bad right now, my soul. Do you know I feel pains too? I will remember you. Just the...
What are you doing? I thought you were sleeping, Ma.
You thought I was sleeping? Yes. And that is why you came to my sitting room. You even took 3 minutes to feed yourself and your useless child.
Ma, I thought you wanted
In my sitting room?
Come on! Please,
Oh my Jesus! What is wrong with you? What is this? What is wrong with you? What is this? What's wrong with you? What's wrong with you? What is this? So what is wrong with you?
What's wrong with me? Are you not supposed to ask her what's wrong with her first?
That's why I'm so peace in this house. What is wrong with you?
What are you talking about? Look, she's here with food in our sitting room and you're talking back at me? Stop it!
Is that why you're trying to strangle her?
Yes. She deserves it anyway. Hey! Come and take your food out of my parlor! Nonsense! And bring water to my room! Stupid girl. Fellas, I've told you. Don't ever shout at me.
Why would I shout at you?
Don't try it.
What do you mean? I won't shout at you. What's wrong with you?
I cannot be confident that my husband is around and supporting you. You came instead, you're shouting at me.
Why would I shout?
Don't try it again.
Why are you wicked? Why are you wicked?
What do you mean I'm wicked?
Is she a woman like you?
What do you mean
Is she a woman like you? What do you listen? If you want her to leave, then you should try and give her some time. Don't be wicked to her.
You should leave my house. I mean my husband's house.
Thank you. Your husband's house, my house. Okay.
Go to the gate man.
What do you mean? Go to the gate man. Go to the gate man.
Yeah, they should go.
What do you mean?
They should go and leave my house alone. What do you mean go away? Am I the one with the son supposed to take that children?
Let me tell you something, okay? You say you.
Don't try.
You're only 2% human, 98% wicked. That's what you are. You understand me?
100% shameless and 100% heartless.
See, God made man in his own
image.
What animals were you making? What animals were you making?
Let her leave my house.
I'm telling you this. Silly thing. What is wrong with you? What is wrong with you?
Came down, and I'm sure you never wear boxers.
My friend, remove this useless cap.
What
are you talking about?
You're supporting a house girl.
Silly cap of mischief. I don't know you.
Stop wearing boxers inside of you. Maybe by that time you should cover your brain and you know what you're saying.
This is covering your brain. This is what you keep wearing. What's covering you? Covering you with mischief. Get away.
Don't try it. I don't like it. Don't try it.
What do you mean? I'm telling you, F is full. F is full. Go back to where you came from.
What kind of man are you?
This earth is full. Go back to where you came from. Understand me? Are you an earthling?
Supporting
Are you an earthling?
Imagine house girl.
That's a woman like you.
House girl.
I know English is a broad language to understand. It's my house. Leave your house. Leave your house.
You cannot stand and defend your wife.
Please
you
keep quiet.
shout at me where housemaid is. Don't try it again, oh. Don't try it.
My friend, please sleep, my friend.
Don't try it.
Yeah, look at your satellite cap. Rubbish.
My body's hurting me. Stop. Please, your wife. You see the pity she gave me today.
That's why I'm here to say
Wait. My body's hurting me. I'm in pain.
But I need you now.
Just wait until I'm fully recovered, okay?
I should wait.
Please, wait.
Until when?
Just wait. Please.
Why do this now?
I'm not doing anything.
Okay, so you okay tomorrow, right?
I don't know.
Sure, you should don't mean
If I'm fine tomorrow, I'm free to just sleep. I don't know. I don't know.
Promise me tomorrow. Because I miss you. I want you. That's fine.
Everyone is standing against me. Over rings, take a deed for some weeks. I was convinced to do so. I didn't see what is wrong. Though it's wrong some,
Why are you so?
but it's already a made mistake.
Felix,
Yes.
why did you leave the bed?
Because you're becoming very annoying.
I am becoming so annoyed.
Yes.
No, Felix. I have been the one trying to tolerate your stupid self since you started supporting our pregnant house girl.
Can you imagine the kind of words you use towards me?
Yes. You know what? My children are sleeping. I'm not here to banter words with you. If you like, sleep in the parlor, no problem. I'll lock the door. Good night.
That was close.
What are you doing? Queen, what are you doing on my couch this morning?
I'm sorry, ma. I feel very sick. I've been throwing up since yesterday.
Oh, you feel very sick. So how is that my business? Because of this thing. Come here. No, because of this thing in your tummy. Because of this thing in your tummy. Right? Queen, you lose this pregnancy. I said you will have miscarriage just the same man. You will have miscarriage in Jesus' name. Say amen. Look at me. I said say amen. Amen. You're sleeping on my couch in the morning because you're pregnant. You're throwing up. What's my business if you're throwing up? What's my business?
You had breakfast? Okay. This useless house help will take you girls to school, okay? Move. My friend, move! Come take them to school fast! No! Rubbish. You're sleeping on my couch because you feel you have something in your tummy. Can you imagine?
Everyone has done against me. Over a mistake I did for some weeks. I was convinced to do so. I didn't see what is wrong. Though it's wrong somehow, but it's already a mess.
Can't you just let that girl be? Huh? Can't you?
No. No, I will not let her be. She will not have rest as long as she's staying in this house. Felix, no. She will not rest as long as she's living in my house. If she wants to have peace, let her leave my house.
Seriously, what's the difference between you and a witch right now? What's the difference?
No, I'm a witch. Yes, I'm a witch. I'm a witch, oh, and I will continue to be a witch as long as that girl stays in this house. Let her leave.
You know what? I'm going to tell you something right now, okay? Listen, if anything happens to that girl, any single thing touches that girl, trust me when I say this, I will report you to the police and I will give them again detailed reports. I'll say it, detailed reports on every single thing you have been doing to that girl. Trust me when I say so, and nobody will stop you from going to prison. Nobody. Just let anything touch that girl.
Liar.
Okay.
You lie, Felix, you lie.
Yeah. Share this equally. I said equal with the queen, okay? Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Go open it, please.
Have a nice day, sir.
Mr. Felix. Mr. Felix. What is your problem? What is your problem? What is the problem? Is it common you're made? You dey protect. Tell us what's behind it. We are so confused about your action. Please tell us what's the problem. Every night you quarrel with your wife, oh. Every morning you quarrel with your wife, oh. Tell us what is the problem. We want to know the real factor. This pregnancy here, we want to know who gets them. Now waiting Sonia one here, I be you want her to have bottom. What case we can work? Then one place you know one here. You see what the cheating costs you. Now family is on fire. Every night you quarrel with your wife, oh. Every morning you quarrel.
What did my husband say to you? I have a feeling you all are keeping something from me. What did he say to you?
James!
What did you say, madam?
I said, what did my husband say to you?
Okay, I just greeted him and...
You just greeted him?
Yes.
Come. Are you lying to me?
Oh.
Tell me, what did my husband say to you?
Why are you slamming me like small pikin?
Oh, you're talking back at me.
I'm older than you.
You're
I'm 35 years old now.
I'm trying to respect you. I'm trying to respect you.
You think I talk back to you? I will deal with all of you in this house. So if I keep a secret from me, no problem. Queen! Yes, ma'am. Take this.
It will help you flush out the unwanted burden in this house. I mean your pregnancy. Like we prayed earlier, right? So take it. Queen, you know, taking up this pregnancy is the only way you will live in peace in this house, okay? So just take it.
Please. I don't want to abort the baby. It may damage my womb or even kill me.
Does it look like I care if you die? Oh, because I'm asking you nicely, right? Look, if you don't take that pills, you'll see what I'll do to you. Rubbish. Move.
Against me over a mistake I did for some weeks. I was convinced to do so. I didn't see what is wrong. Though it's wrong somehow, but it's already a made mistake. I will remember you just the way you want me to. Put me back right now in my soul. Do you know I feel pains too? I will remember you just the way you want me to. Take me back right now in my soul. Do you know I feel pains
too? This one way you like this, make me dey smile now. Eh? Smile. How are you?
Fine.
Voila, there. Why I take? Take first now. This is your own share of money. Oga give us this money. Once he comes back, go and greet him. Tell him thank you, so that he will know I have given you your own share. As you can see, I'm not a bad man.
Thank you, James.
Alright. Nice one. So, how is the baby?
Fine. Can you please excuse me?
Excuse you. Okay. The baby na man or woman?
Can you please excuse me? Why is life treating me like this? I have no one on my own. I should not have made the mistake of sleeping with my boss, a man who is not in total control of his house. Does Sonia hate me this much before? Or is it all about the pregnancy? Does she suspect her husband? She wants this pregnancy out by all means. I have to start doing something. I need to stand and fight. What am I fighting for? My life or my right? God, this is just too much for me. I have to run away. If I don't run away, this woman will kill me. I don't have enough money with me. That would have been the best option. Yes, to run away. But where would I run to? No money, No parents, no relation anywhere. To run to Mary is not even an option. I really messed up.
It's Mary. Good afternoon. Queen, how are you? Fine, ma. I asked you to come. Why didn't you come?
I was busy.
Busy. Busy sleeping with the gateman that he had to get you pregnant. Huh?
I'm sorry.
Sorry for yourself!
It was a mistake.
Have you taken the pills she gave you this morning?
You're aware of it too? I'm sorry, but I'm never aborting this pregnancy. Let what will happen, happen. Auntie, I might die in the process. And it's a mistake. Can't you just forgive me?
Is that how you want it?
Yes, but I'm pleading. I'm begging, don't do this to me, Auntie. You know I have nobody. I don't have anybody. I'm an orphan, please.
That's the reason you should have been very careful. If you know what's good for you, get rid of this pregnancy, else you'll be forced to do that.
Fellas, your wife is going to kill that girl. And I can bet my money on it. And her blood is going to be on your head.
So what do you want me to do?
You have to think, you have to think, you have to think, you have to think, you have to think.
Yes. Yes, Felix, you need to get an apartment for her. Get an apartment, furnish it, somewhere in town. But my advice to you, keep her far away from your wife.
And you think Sonia wouldn't know?
I mean, that's a chance you have to take. Just do it if Sonia finds out or dig anything out, it's going to be on her own risk,
I wish I hadn't done what I did, I wish I had just kept myself in my pants and...
Come on, bro, don't be hard on yourself, okay? What is done is done. You cannot turn back the hands of time.
Who is perfect anyways? Who is perfect? See, what we need to do right now is to find the way out.
Every night you quarrel with your wife, every morning you quarrel with your wife, Tell us what is the problem. We want to know the real factor. This pregnancy here, we want to know who gets them. Now waiting Sonia one here, Abi you want her to abort her mom.
Queen!
Yes, ma'am.
See what the cheating costs you.
Oh, ma'am. Thank you.
I hope there's food in this house.
Yes, ma'am.
That's very good. So, tell me, how did it go? I mean, you took the pills, right? Oh, of course you have taken the pills, right?
No, ma'am.
Say that again.
Please. I can't take the pills. You can't take what? So why is it? Throw it away.
You did what, Queen? You did what? I will kill you to get this out! I will kill you if I ask you to do what you do and ask you to do! Stupid girl! I will kill you today!
Please, ma'am, please, I beg you, ma'am, please.
I will remember you, just the way you want me to. Take me back right now in my soul. check it from the other side. If you are the one wearing my shoe side, tell me how you will feel deep down to your heart. I was convinced by money, I was convinced by mommy. This wasn't so right, and nobody sees.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. And what's the problem?
Madam beats me up.
She beat you up. And why?
She asked me to abort the pregnancy. She gave me these pills and asked me to take it before she returns, but I refused.
Give me that. Give me that. She gave you this?
Yes.
What in the world? She gave you this? She gave you...
I will remember you, just the way you want me to. Treat me bad right now in my soul.
No, seriously, what is this? Wait, are you a witch? What is this? No, what is this? How could you have given Queen this? To terminate her pregnancy, what is this? No, what is this? What is wrong with you? I mean, how could you be so callous? I mean, when did this start? When did you become this wicked? What is wrong with you? Who are you? I don't understand. I don't understand how somebody can phantom this kind of rubbish. What's wrong with you? I don't understand, and I'm still talking to you. What is wrong with you? You should be ashamed of yourself, you know? What is this? Ah! What is this? How can somebody be this callous? This callous?
Queen, why are you even crying, sir? Eh? Why are you even crying? Eh? Why you do this thing to yourself? When I was begging you for this thing, you used to say, through I didn't do this thing. By now, you see this madam, I for this lap and for this house.
Wait. So you have the guts. You had the mind to go and report me to my husband. No, tell me. Are you trying to
take it easy now? Take it easy. Everybody's
Are you trying to destroy my marriage or what? Tell me, what is your plan? Hey! You have to take it easy. You want to take it easy. You have to take it No. Leave me alone. Leave me alone, Felix.
Let's go inside and talk.
No, go inside and talk about what?
Just go inside and talk.
Talk to me here. What do you want to talk about? What
are
is
you
it?
embarrassing yourself here? Let's go inside and talk.
I will not go inside and talk, Felix. Talk to me here. What is it?
Let this girl be. Come
No, don't tell me to let this girl be. Felix, I will only let her be if she gets rid of that pregnancy.
Excuse you?
Excuse you, yes? You said she will not leave, right? You said you want us to live with a husband in this house. No problem, but I cannot live in this house with her and that pregnancy. No!
What's your problem? What's your problem? No, don't you tell me what's your problem. Is your problem the girl or the pregnancy or
Felix, both of them is my problem. The both of them. I cannot have a pregnant husband in my house. I said no!
And why?
What do you mean and why?
No, why? Is this the first time?
No, tell me. If that pregnancy grows big, how is she supposed to take care of me, my children, or this house? How will a pregnant woman take care of me or my children in this house? And besides, I need to have my doubts, really. I need to think you're the one responsible for this pregnancy. Because the way you defend her how you defend her.
No. Stop it there. Stop. So I'm going back to that doubts issue. Doubts? What are you talking about? Doubts?
You need to have my doubts. Why are you defending her?
Why would I defend her?
I am your wife. You're supposed to be defending me and not our house.
And we are human beings. We're well trained, okay? Look, I'm trying to be humane here. You have to be too.
Who cares about you being humane?
Woman like
Who cares about... Look, I'm tired, okay? I am tired. Better tell her to get rid of that pregnancy or else there'll be war in this house. And as for her going to report me to you, I don't understand that sword. Are you seeing what you're going
What is wrong with you? What is wrong with you?
I am not done. I will kill her in this house.
You're not going to kill anybody. You will not kill anybody.
You will
not kill anybody. I mean, you're a woman. What is wrong with you?
The problem in this house is becoming bad every day. What Queen is facing is something no housemaid can endure. My case is different because it was Oga who employed me. I don't know why she's still here. Oga is not even giving her the protection he promised her. I know one day Madam will turn against me. My, should I run away or what? It is no longer funny. I don't even know where she learned how to slap. Any little thing, bah 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 bah. Now Makasim madn't. If I slap her, she will turn red because I know size in her. That woman has small picking, but now because now Oga they pay me, that's why they respect her. But no problem. God will see us through.
You know, I'm finding it so hard. So hard to believe that you have nothing to do with this pregnancy.
You know, right? You know I don't believe you. Sure you know.
Good. So seriously, what's wrong with you? What's wrong with you? Sonia, what is wrong? Are you just jobless? Yeah, of course you're jobless. You're jobless. All you just do is stay here and do nothing but plan on how to maltreat a pregnant orphan or keep finding some silly, stupid faults. Better go get a job. Get a life.
Oh, so now I'm finding fault,
Of course,
right?
yes.
I'm finding fault because I want the truth of what is happening in my home, right? No problem. You see, Felix, I will get to the root of this matter. No, come back.
Whatever.
Come back and talk to me. I will get to the root of whatever
Please
there is
go get a
happening
job,
in
get
this
a
house.
life.
I must get to the roots and I'll get my evidence. No problem. You guys think you can frustrate me? You think you can? No, wahala. I will get to the root of this. No problem.
Calm down. Look, I'm being so nice now. Just think, okay? It will not do you anything. Just think.
Please, I can't. It damage my pregnancy.
Yes, that is what I want. I want it to damage your pregnancy. Take.
Please. Please, I'm sorry, please.
Queen, I am being so nice. Just think.
I don't
okay?
want it damaged, ma,
No,
please.
just think. I'm acting nice with you. You will not hear until I hit you. Take.
No, ma, please. Ma, please, I beg you, please.
You don't want. So you don't like the easy way we are going about this thing now?
No, ma, please, I beg you. Ma, please, I don't want. Ma, please.
Okay. It's obvious that you don't like me being nice.
No, ma. Ma, please, I beg you. No, ma, please. Oh, ma, please. No, please. Ma, please, I beg you.
Shut up and listen.
No, please, I beg you.
Look, the only reason I will not use this thing on your face is because of my husband. Will you take the pills or not? No. Will you take the pills or not? If this touches my skin, I will kill you. Will you take the pills or not? I will put it on your face. And if I put it my husband sees it, he will not do anything. Will you take it?
Ma, please, I beg you.
Are you
Ma, please.
If this thing touches me, if this thing touches me, I will kill you.
Ma, please. Ma, please.
Do you take it out?
I don't want to kill my child.
You don't want to take
Ma, please, I don't want to kill my child.
You don't want to kill your
Ma,
child.
please.
So you want to continue being lazy in my house? You don't want to kill your child. Today that child will die.
Every night you quarrel with your wife, oh. Every morning you quarrel with your wife, oh. Tell us what is the problem.
Queen. I know you must be wondering why I'm treating you this way. I know you must be wondering why I have been wicked to you. But look, Queen, all this can stop, okay? All this can stop. I just want you to tell me the truth. If you tell me the truth, I promise I will let you be. Just tell me the truth. Is James really responsible for your pregnancy?
Yes, ma. It is James, ma.
Queen, we are both ladies. And I need you to know that my husband cannot protect you from me. Okay? So I want you to tell me the truth so I will know how to deal with my husband. Queen, tell me the truth. Is my husband responsible for your pregnancy?
Ma, no, he's not. It is James. Ma, it was just a one-time mistake, believe me. It was just a mistake, ma.
So you're saying it's James?
Yes, ma.
It's James and you have been enduring for this long? It's James and you do not want to leave my house? It's obvious you want to continue lying to me.
No, I'm not lying.
And I will keep on treating you as someone. Oh, get out! Stupid girl. It's James. James.
Yes, madam, you called me.
Yes. Look, James, today I do not want to shout. Neither do I want to slap you.
Yeah.
I just need the truth from you.
What truth, ma?
James, are you sure you are responsible for Queen's pregnancy?
No. Madam, I am 35 years old now. Do you think I cannot impregnate a woman?
James, look, I don't want to be in that mood, okay? So if I ask you a direct question, please give me a direct answer, okay? So I'll ask nicely again. Are you responsible for Queen's pregnancy?
Madam, with due respect, the baby in her womb is my baby. And in a few months, I will be a father. I am 35 years old.
So, you're the one responsible?
I am the father of that baby. That means I'm responsible.
Look, James, I gave you an opportunity to tell me the truth. But it's obvious you want to continue lying to me. Listen, if I find out that you just lied, you know me now. I will make life a living hell for you.
Done.
Understood?
Madam, which truth do you want me to tell you again? Do you want me to lie to you? Once you have a gas. Yeah?
Get out.
You say?
I said get out!
Okay, I forgot.
Fool. Honey, I want to talk to you. It's very important. Come in. James, what is it?
Okay, good afternoon. Madam, good afternoon. Okay. I would like to see you outside. It's very important.
About what? Whatever you have to say, please just spit it out, okay?
You mean I should say it here?
And then, just say whatever you want to say.
If I say it here, everything will spoil. Bata, bata, bata. Wahala go dey for this house. So it is better we go outside. And if you no want follow me, make we go outside busy. Everything will still smooth. Please.
James, my husband and I were trying to have a conversation. So if you have anything to say, go ahead, speak up. We don't have time.
It is very important. It is between me and Oga. Please. I would like you to understand it. Please.
Between you and my husband?
Yes.
Since when? Honey, what do you mean is okay? I told you I came here because I need us to talk.
Honey, we'll talk, okay? Let me just handle these kids. It's very important. Let me handle it.
So James is now more important than your
But
wife?
it's not like that, okay? Let's just... It's alright, guys.
Is this a joke or there's something I don't know about?
I'm ready to listen. What is it?
Oga, I'm not happy. I'm not happy. My phone is missing. All the money I saved is missing. I don't understand.
I don't understand too. What are you talking about?
It is this pregnancy wahala. This pregnancy wey carry put for my head. We don't bend my neck. They cause all this problem. I'm tired.
I don't understand.
Okay, you still don't understand.
I don't understand. What are you talking about?
You still don't know.
I don't understand. What are you saying? What are you saying?
Okay, let me tell you. A few hours ago, Madam told me that she would deal with me in this house if I didn't tell her who is responsible. That she knew I am not the one. Then I say, suspect anybody, then live my life.
Wait, let's get to specifics. Are you trying to say she's the one who took your phone and also the money I gave you?
Yes, she's the one. So I'm planning on telling her the truth. I just want to tell you first, so that I'll go and tell her the truth and she give me my phone and my money.
Are you stupid? Have you gone bonkers? Are you a nitwit? Are you really okay? Is something wrong with you?
Okay, they change.
I said, are you stupid? You want to destroy my marriage? If you try destroying my marriage, I'll kill you. Hey! I'm telling you, I will kill you. I will end you. I will end your generation. I'm telling you, before and after you. Don't try me. Listen. I know your village. I know your father. I know your mother's shop. Don't mess with me. Don't. Don't mess with me. If you try me, you will give me that 200,000 naira I give you right now.
This man has persuaded me. Okay, that 200,000.
Yes.
If it is the issue, let me be working for you. Don't pay me till you collect that money.
You must think I'm stupid. Try me. This is you. Huh? This is you. This is prison. Try me.
Am I stupid? This man carry wahala put for my head. They threaten my life. Say you will kill me. I will go prison. And so I carry frustration through my body.
Every night you quarrel with your wife, oh. Every morning you quarrel with your wife, oh. Tell us what is the problem. We want to know the real factor. This pregnancy here, we want to know who gets them. Now waiting Sonia one here. Happy you want her to have a time. What case we can walk?
Queen!
One place you know one here.
Queen! Queen!
See what it you do.
Where are you? Come here now. Come right. Come.
Family is on fire. Every night you quarrel with your
I am tired. I am tired of you being silly in this house. I am tired. Now, who did this to you? Who did this to you? I'm tired of being pushed around because of this thing. And don't ask me why I'm shouting. I'll keep shouting because this is tiresome for me. My wife doesn't respect me anymore because of this. I keep defending you. What am I defending you for? Who got you pregnant? That's the question. So what? What? I'm shouting, right? I'm being very stupid, right? I'm being stupid and I'm being very cynical. Isn't it? Huh?
Huh? Listen, I'll tell you this right now. Any chore in this house, every single chore, come back here before I smack the living hell out of you. Now, every single chore in this house that my wife wants you to do, you will do it. You will do every single thing. You understand me? You will do it. Because I'm tired. I'm tired of this rubbish. Get out of my sight. Get out. I said bounce. Silly.
Every night you quarrel with your wife, oh. Every morning you quarrel with your wife.
Rubbish!
Tell us what is the problem. We want to know the real factor. This pregnancy here, we want to know who gets them. Now waiting Sonia one here. I be you want her to have a more. What case we can work? Then one place you know one here. You see what the cheating costs you. Now family is on fire. Every night you call it.
Why are you crying?
I'm confused. I don't know why you did what you did in there.
Look, I had to put up a show, okay? I'm tired of my wife suspecting me, you know, because I'm defending you all the time. You know, because I keep defending you, she keeps suspecting me.
That was too harsh. You took me on our way.
I needed to just make everything look so real. Don't you get it? Look, I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Do you think she bought it?
Of course she bought it. She bought it hook, line and sinker. She bought it. Okay, but please, I just need you to keep up with her. Okay, just go. You know, just do the necessary chores that you can, please. For now, why don't we sort this out, okay? Please. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Huh?
I'm just like this.
I'm sorry, okay? Just please, just try. I got you.
Every night you quarrel with your wife, oh. Every morning you quarrel with your wife, oh. Tell us what is the problem. We want to know the real factor. This pregnancy here, we want to know who gets them. Now waiting Sonia one here. I be you want her to have a more. What case we can work? Then one place you know one here. See what the cheating costs you. Now family is on fire. Every night you quarrel with your wife, oh. Every morning you quarrel with your wife, oh. Tell us what is the problem. We want to know the real factor. Now who do this? You say not James so, but madam no one here. How do you curious you? Do you want to know what's up? Do you want to know who will be the father? Father of this child, the unborn child. Mr. Felix, please say the truth, oh. Say the truth, oh.
Queen?
Yes, ma'am.
Come. Oh, yes. Here's your food.
Queen, I know that you do not deserve to eat. But I'm not that wicked. I dished out your food. So go on, eat something. Okay?
Thank you, ma'am.
Every night you quarrel with your wife, oh. Every morning you quarrel with your wife, oh. Tell us what is the problem. We want to know the real factor. This pregnancy here, we want to know who gets them. Now waiting.
Let me see how the pregnancy will not damage. Fool. She thinks she's wise. How can the girl I brought in as my maid be pregnant and my husband doesn't see anything wrong with it? Well, in a few minutes, she will start bleeding and it will be over.
Ma, I want to go and pick up the children from school.
Okay. Did you eat the food I gave you?
Yes, ma.
You ate all of it?
Yes, ma.
Okay, you can go.
Thank you, ma. happened? Why is she not bleeding? Okay. Let me just give the pills more time to work. Yeah. More time.
You know what? I was shocked. I was really shocked. Sonia did not even deny it. She didn't. She said since I didn't want Queen out of the house, she would do everything possible to get the pregnancy off Queen.
I mean, if that would bring the much needed peace in your home, so be it. Get rid of the pregnancy.
What are you talking about? What do you mean? Get rid of a 5 months pregnancy? Are you okay?
Felix, what do you want me to say? I have told you time without number. Get an apartment for this girl. You have the money. Take her away from your house. Because as long as she's staying under the same roof with your wife, she's not safe. I've told you this before. Huh? Oh, wait. Would you rather she leave your house in a casket? Is that what you want?
Everyone has turned against me over a mistake I did for some weeks. I was convinced to do so. I didn't see what is wrong, though it's wrong somehow, but it's already a made mistake. I will remember you just the way you want me to. Treat me bad right now, my soul.
Hey, my princess. How are you? How's good? Any assignments? Good, okay. So I'll join you guys inside. Go in, eat something, okay? I'm coming. Queen, did you eat the food I gave you?
Yes, ma, I did.
Are you sure?
Yes, ma, I did. Is there a problem, ma?
No. No problem. You can go in.
Something is wrong. It's either the pills didn't work or she didn't eat the food.
She said she ate it. But look, Mary, I have a major concern. My husband. The way my husband protects this girl is really getting me worried. Mary, my husband defends her anytime I do something to her or talk about her pregnancy. Will you believe if I tell you that my husband shouts at me if I shout at Queen? He quarrels me if I beat Queen. Yes, and now that I want her to get rid of her pregnancy, he still doesn't want it to.
How? What do you mean by that?
I'm not sure. But I feel my husband knows something about the pregnancy. I mean, I feel until just recently he shouted at her. For the first time she got pregnant, my husband shouted at her. And that made me think he's innocent. Maybe, I don't know, maybe I'm just overreacting, I don't know.
No, look. Your husband may do many things, but can never cheat on you with, not even with a housemaid. No.
Right. I thought so too. But his recent action towards that girl got me thinking otherwise.
Like I said, just take your husband out of the picture, okay? And focus on how to get this girl out of your house. Like I told you, I have other maids. I will bring in one anytime you want, okay?
Mary, now that is the problem. My husband does not want me to bring another maid into the house. Yes. You know, I have taken my time
to put pieces of the puzzle together. And guess what I found?
What did you find out?
That you're the one responsible for Queen's pregnancy. And you asked James to take up the responsibility, assuring him of your protection.
Really?
Yes. You also told Queen that you would protect her from me, and that is what you have been doing, right?
Two things. It's either you're a bad puzzle player or you're just really mad and stupid to assume such. My advice to you is this, okay? Get to be meaningful with your life. Get busy with your life, okay? Even when you sleep, try as much as possible to think of how you're going to make money. The money that you make yourself, not the one I gave you. You're here presuming and assuming what? Please go to sleep. You're talking rubbish.
Please, you think you're smart. But let me tell you one thing for free, that I will beat you at your own game. I will. You think you're smart, right? No problem. Let me find out. No problem.
Please sleep, woman, sleep. I don't have time for this. I'm not going to furnish this with an answer. Just sleep.
Okay.
We got it.
Everyone has done against me over a mistake I did for some weeks. I was convinced to do so. I didn't see what is wrong. Though it's wrong somehow, but it's already a made mistake. I will remember you just the way you want me to. Treat me bad right now in my soul. Do you know I feel pains too? I will remember you just the way you want me to. Treat me bad right now in my soul. Do you know I feel pains too? I want you to check it from the other side. If you are the one wearing my shoe side, tell me how you feel deep down to your heart. I was convinced by money, I was convinced by money. This wasn't so right, and my bosses forgive me. Treating me bad doesn't really count. Just know this, I know it well. I'm still your blood, oh no. Just know it, I know it well. Oh, I'm still your blood. Oh, for Balano, oh, for I will remember you just the way you want me to. Treat me bad right now in my soul. Do you know I feel pains too? I will remember you just the way you want me to. Don't be surprised when I put attitude. It will seem like I'm doing wrong. You try to kill me, madam.
Where did you go to? Where have you been?
Excuse me, what kind of question is that? Look, for your trouble-seeking information, alright? I went to the car to drop a document I don't want to forget because I have a board meeting tomorrow. And I'll ask you the same question, where are you coming from?
I was looking for you.
Looking for me? Looking for me? Since when?
Forget it. Shh. Sneaking around everywhere. Sneaking, walking like a snake in your own house.
Listen, just say you miss me, okay? But you're getting none, okay? This is done. Me and you, we're having no sex again, nothing ever again. But now, please, if you want sex, you politely ask, but you're not getting it. Too bad. This is short, close.
Don't be surprised when I put attitude. It will seem like I'm doing wrong. You try to kill me, madam. You try to take away my child. Tell me what I've done wrong. It was only Fairy's fault. Your husband put me in this pain. You want me to run away. It's only my right. I'm sorry that I do you wrong. It wasn't my fault. Money deceived me. Ego deceived me. I didn't know what I was doing. Can't take this pain alone. Oh Lord, come to my rescue. I can't take this anymore. I need to put some attitude. Cause I will remember you.
Wait!
That's the way you want me to. While I'm taking up play, but to say the truth. Cause I'm pregnant for me. I don't know my right. Just wait for me. I will remember you. I will do something great. That's the way you want me to. Only to show you little to me, but to say the truth. I'm sorry, but doesn't mean I don't know my right. I'm sorry, but that I will remember you. I will remember. That's the way you want me to. To me, but to say the truth doesn't mean I don't know my right. Don't be surprised when I put attitude. It will seem like I'm doing wrong. You try to kill me, madam. You try to take away my child. Tell me what I've done wrong. It was only Fairy's fault. Your husband put me in this pain. You want me to.
What's going on? Huh?
I don't know, my tummy.
What?
My stomach is on fire.
Your stomach? What did you eat? Huh? What did you take?
Madam gave me tea.
Tea?
Yes.
I don't understand, but... She said she had tea. Did you put anything in her tea?
What kind of nonsense question is that? It's not the same tea that we're drinking.
Please, can you walk? Let's take her to the hospital, please. Come.
So what is wrong with you? Felix, what is wrong with you? If she's sick, allow her to use a cab. Or better still, James can take her. Which you have to be the one to take her to the hospital?
Please, just
allow her to use a cab. Don't try me. Let her use a cab.
Don't be surprised when I put attitude. It will seem like I'm doing wrong. You try to kill me, madam. You try to take away my child. Tell me what I've done wrong. It was only Fairy's fault. Your husband put me in this pain. You want me to run away. It's only my right. I'm sorry that I do you wrong. It wasn't my fault. Money deceived me. Ego deceived me. I didn't know what I was.
Sir, the doctor wants to see you at his office.
I hope she'll be fine.
Sure she will. But you have to come with me now. We need to see the doctor.
Please, doctor, what could actually be the problem?
She was microdosed.
Microdosed? How?
Yeah, after my examination, I suspected microdose misoprostol. Misoprostol is a medication that can induce abortion when taken above the effective dose. And it's either she took it to terminate the pregnancy or otherwise.
My God.
Do you have any idea why she wants to terminate 5 months pregnancy?
No, doctor, no, but please, is the pregnancy still intact? That's what I want to know, please.
Actually, I was able to stop the reaction of the misoprostol and other abortion pills. You know, the pregnancy is actually intact.
Thank God. Thank you. Thank God.
Let me surprise when I put attitude. It will seem like I'm doing wrong. You try to kill me, madam. You try to take away my child. Tell me what I've done wrong. It was only Fairy's fault. Your husband put me in this pain. You want me to run away. It's only...
Do you know you're wicked?
Excuse you?
I said you're wicked. You see, every single thing you have done is nothing but witchcraft. Seriously, the kind of unthinkable, despicable things you do, oh my God, I don't know how I read the handwritings on the wall and I still married you. Who are you? What are you? You put pills in her tea, knowing fully well she could have died.
Felix, please. If it has nothing to do with our family problem, don't talk to me like that. Don't use those kind of words on me. Please, don't use it. I don't like it. Stop it.
Not of course, but you're not even denying it. You're not even denying this. You're not even denying it. You're not denying it.
Felix, look. If you want peace in this house, tell that girl to leave my house. It's that simple. Excuse me.
You're fine, but you need enough rest, and your baby is also fine.
When can I go?
You don't need to worry. You will go this evening or tomorrow morning, but you have an injection to take. After then, the doctor will decide more.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Please let me attend to that patient.
So you mean it was Felix who rushed her to the hospital?
Yes, so.
Jesus Christ. Men. Men. Sonia, you know, now I understand why you said Felix knew something about her pregnancy.
I told you I suspect something fishy. But my husband is so smart. He doesn't leave any evidence at all.
My goodness. Hey. Unbelievable. So, what's the news now? Do you know what happened finally, if it flushed out?
I don't know. But from the way my husband spoke to me, I think the deed has been done.
That's very good. That's very good. Serves her right. I told her. Idiots. Can you imagine? So, if eventually it's flushed out as we want, what's going to be your next line of action?
Oh, that. I will first of all try to see if she's into my husband.
Okay.
I'll try to get evidence. And then it's that simple. She will leave my house, of course.
Good. Very good. That's a good idea. Hey. Men.
See, I don't want to be rude here, okay? But like I said before, I'm not going to advise you on anything again. Come on, I don't know why you're so bent on keeping that girl in your house. Do you want your wife to kill her before you do something?
You know what? As soon as Queen comes back from the hospital, Mom, I'm definitely finding her an apartment.
So what about your gate man, James?
Well, she's not giving James as much heat as she's giving Queen. James will be alright. It's fine.
For me?
Yeah.
You see, bro, I'm having this feeling that your wife is suspecting you and Queen.
She has said that already.
Okay, this is the more reason why you have to take Queen out. Come on, you have the money, get her an apartment. 1 bedroom, 2 bedroom or something. Because so long as she's under the same roof with your wife, she's not safe. Your unborn child is not safe. Come on, you need to act fast.
Because some people, men now, some come out and say they are men. Men that will be choosing housemaid over their wife. Is that one better men? Men that will not care about their children. Men that cannot support their wife. Is that one better man? No. Men that will be choosing house girl over their wife. Is that one a better man? No. Anybody that said will not have peace in my home. Holy Ghost, fire. Any devil that does not want me to have peace in my home, my God will continue to fight me battle. My God will continue to teach them how to be a good man, stupid man, useless man. They cannot support their wife. You call men now, they will answer. They cannot support their wife. They will become themselves men. You are the devil, and you are the Satan. You are the Satan, because it's only Satan that will choose housemaid over their wife. Come back here. You are the Satan, no? It's you I'm talking to. You are the men I am referring to. Queen. No. You must really feel like a queen now. Sitting in front of my husband's car. My husband is the one going to pick you from hospital. Look, whatever charm that you're using on my husband will fail. Whatever charm that you're using on my husband will fail. Move! Go in, let her go in before I slap her. Get out! Nonsense, girl. Don't touch me. Look. Please, don't you have shame? Are you not ashamed of yourself? Well, if you're not ashamed of yourself, I am ashamed for you. I understand. Stooping so low to an ordinary house girl. Imagine, my husband, you're going to pick our house girl from hospital. As what, Felix? What is wrong with you? What is wrong with you? Why are you disrespecting me this much? What is wrong with you?
The question should be, what is wrong with you? What is wrong with you? When did you become this ugly-hearted person?
The day you allowed this girl to stay in this house with her pregnancy. For what? For what reason? Look, Felix, if now you deny this girl, tell me, let me know. For what reason? Why would you be allowing your house girl to stay in our house when she's pregnant? She's even useless to us. Why? Why can't you stand by your wife? Why are you not seeing reasons with me? What is wrong with you? What do you have to say? You don't have anything to say now. You went to pick her from hospital as what? You don't have any. Did you do it with my consent? No. You need to answer me, oh. You need to answer me. What's going on? Can't you? What's going on? Why would you have to say?
Sonia, look, the bone of contention right now is this girl should be given some time. Even if you want her out, she should be given some time.
Felix, time. Time is what I do not have. You hear me? And please, I'm trying to mind my business. Mind yours as well. Hey. What are you doing? Why are you lying down? You left this house since yesterday and your stupid brain did not tell you that I will have dirty clothes for you to wash. If you don't go and wash those clothes now, I'll beat hell out of you. Nonsense. Come on, stand up.
Sorry, ma. I feel very weak. It's only by the grace of God I survived the poison you put in my tea.
So why did you not die? Queen, why did you not die? Why did you survive? Why did you not lose this nonsense in your tummy? Why? Look, I don't know what you've done to my husband. I don't know what you're doing with my husband. But trust me, I will find out. And when I find that, Queen, I swear I will kill you.
I don't have anything with your husband.
Then why is my husband protecting you? Why does my husband keep defending you? Why?
He's only trying to stand for the truth.
Truth? What truth are you talking about? Oh, you talk about truth now. What truth are you talking about? Answer me, what truth? Huh?
Every night you quarrel with your wife, oh. Every morning you quarrel with your wife, oh. Tell us what is the problem. We want to know the real factor. This pregnancy here, we want to know who gets them. Now waiting Sonia one. Now waiting Sonia.
Felix, I don't want to be angry. I don't want to lose my temper before you say Sonia has started. Can you imagine that stupid girl? She has not washed my clothes since yesterday. That's what now? That's what?
What is wrong with you?
Excuse you?
I said, what is wrong with you? What is wrong with you, Sonia? What? I mean, why are you this wicked? What? A girl you poisoned? A girl who went to hospital, just came back. You're asking her to wash your clothes? I mean, where did this come from? How did I even marry you?
Felix, point of correction, I did not poison her. Okay? Secondly, you're the one that is wicked. Felix, you are a stupid man. You deserve all the wicked names in this world. You are evil. See, I don't even have your time. You better go and tell that girl to wash my clothes and do her chores. Else, I'll put pepper in between her legs. Nonsense. You think you can head down and go.
Come in.
Stop crying. Okay. One thing I promise you is she will never beat you again.
No. She tried to kill my child. I can't continue to stay here. No, it's not safe for me and my baby. I can't. She will just kill us. Can't you just get an apartment or something?
Okay. I'll be making plans for that. I'll get you an apartment, okay? But you have to be a little patient till the end of the month.
I don't have a choice. I'll just wait till then.
Good. Alright, if you're hungry, you can go to the kitchen and make something. I would have helped you, but why don't you just go make something, something real fast, like noodles?
I want to eat noodles.
Then what do you want?
Fresh fish pepper soup.
Fresh fish pepper soup. Okay. Alright, I'll send James to get it for you and sneak it in. Okay? Alright?
Thank you.
You're welcome. Now smile. Come on, smile.
I almost died. How you tell me to smile?
You'll get your fresh fish pepper soup, okay? Mm-hmm. Smile. You'll get it. Alright?
What's going on here? What are you doing in my kitchen? What are you doing in my kitchen?
Please, I'm very hungry. I want to make fresh fish pepper soup.
Oh, you are very hungry. And you have the guts to come to my kitchen to make something for you and your useless child? Really? Okay. How did you get the money to make the pepper soup? You want to respond. I'm talking and you want to talk back at me, Queen. Because you are pregnant, you want to talk back at me. My friend, get out of here. I want to make food for my children. Can you imagine?
No, please, I just want to make. I'm really hungry.
No, Mama. You're still talking. No, come back. You want to make fresh soup in my kitchen. Can you imagine this girl? Come back, let me pour this hot water on you. Not make fresh soup. Stupid girl. I swear because you're pregnant, you want to occupy my house, you want to make fresh soup in my kitchen. Felix. Okay. Let me see you in this kitchen again. Right here. My heart beats. Joy. Joe, come downstairs. Are they sleeping?
I will remember you. Just the way you want me to. Take me back right now in my soul. Do you know I feel pain too? I want you to check it from the other side. If you are the one wearing my shoe side, tell me how you will feel deep down to your heart. I was convinced by money, I was convinced by mommy. This wasn't so right, and the bosses forgiving me. Treating me bad doesn't really count. Just know this, I know it well. Still your blood. Oh no. Just know it, I know it well. I'm still your blood. Oh, for balanu, oh, for yeah. I will remember you just the way you want me to. Take me back right now in my soul. Do you know I feel pain?
Okay.
No, Mom, I'm not hungry.
Oh, you're not hungry. Oh, my angel, you need to eat. See, Mommy has work to do. And I don't want you to disturb me when I'm working. So just eat. When Joe wakes up, he'll eat his own portion. Okay? Say your prayers. Amen. Okay. Here. That's my strawberry. Tastes nice? I told you. I made your favorite type of stew. Okay. That's my heartbeat. Alright.
Queen, this one you're eating bread and coke. What about the fresh fish you bought?
Madam doesn't want me to eat. She asked me to leave her kitchen.
Child, this woman is very, very wicked. She's very wicked in your condition.
I'm planning on leaving this house.
You want to leave? To where?
Oga said he will rent house for me.
Oh, that is wonderful. Oga said so. Oh, this man loves you. That is good. This is what you're supposed to do since. than putting this problem on my head. You see this problem? Waiting, madam, don't use because of this problem, do me. Oh, see all this my, you don't slap me well. All this place, they pain me. Hey! Come. See your food.
What's going on? You're not talking to me. What's going on? Somebody help me. Please help me. Baby. Child, baby, my strawberry, talk to me. James, Queen, please come. Baby, what's going on?
Madam, what happened?
Please help me. Please help me. Please help me.
What's happened to her? Chinenye. Hey!
Come here.
Let me summarize when I put attitude. It will seem like I'm doing wrong. You try to kill me, madam. You try to take away my child. Tell me what I've done wrong. It was only Fairy's fault. Your husband put me in this pain. You want me to run away. It's only my right. I'm sorry that I do you wrong. It wasn't my fault. Money deceived me. Ego deceived me. I didn't know what I was doing.
It's coming tomorrow, right? Yes.
Can't take this pain alone.
And you're saying something about Sonia's reaction.
What's up? She's the one calling me right now.
Then you should take your call.
Hello? What? What? What are you talking about? How? Okay. Just calm down. I'll be on my way. Just calm down, okay? God. What is it? My daughter has been rushed to the hospital. So I just need to go there. Just help me handle this, okay?
Just take it easy, okay? I'll call you. Yes. Easy, bro.
Mother, I'm sorry. It's all dead on our life. I mean, she's dead.
Say what?
I'm sorry, man.
Please just take her, please.
No.
Strong, take her, please.
Take out.
Please, don't be strong.
Wait.
Be strong, man.
Joy.
Please, just calm down.
Oh, wait, Joy.
Please, ma.
Doctor, what is going on now? Wait, my doctor.
Ma, please.
Joy.
Please, ma.
No,
Please, just calm down.
Doctor, calm down.
Please,
My
ma.
daughter.
Please.
No, Joy.
What's going on? What's happening? Are you honey? What? What?
I don't know.
What?
Baby, they're trying to wake up.
Baby, daddy's here. Baby.
Daddy's trying to wake
Go.
up. Doctor, please come and help me. Please come. Doctor, I know you can do something. Doctor, I beg you. Just come and help me. Doctor, please come. I beg you. Just help me. No.
Look at how madam they cry like small pikin. I don't know say this woman feel cry like this. Eh? Oh, wow. But Queen, come to think of it, how this thing take happen? How this thing, a girl that just returned a few hours ago from school, I think maybe something happened to her in that school. Maybe she ate something there.
I don't know. Truly, maybe she ate something in school.
Abby?
Or she was sick.
I'm confused. I don't know. But I'm suspecting that school. That school. Wow. Let's look at them come back.
My boy,
I don't know what else to say. Yes, I made the food. I fed her myself. But I don't know what else happened. I don't know. I don't know. Oh God.
The doctor said she was poisoned. Our baby was poisoned. But you, Sonia, you cooked the food. You cooked the food, you.
Felix, I cannot.
You fed her. You fed her, Sonia. You.
Felix, I cannot kill my own daughter. I cannot.
No, what do I think now? What do you want me to think now? What?
I cannot kill my own daughter. I can't. I can't kill my daughter. I can't. I can't. I can't kill my own daughter. No. No. Oh my God.
Bro, I'm so sorry for your loss, okay? I'm sorry for your loss. I mean, I tried calling you back as soon as I saw your missed calls, but your line was not connecting. You just have to be strong, alright?
Like that.
Such a brilliant girl, full of life. See, bro, you just have to be strong. Do not let this break you, okay? I know you're a very strong man and you're going to pull through this. Don't let it break you. Alright? The doctor says she died as a result of food poisoning. And it got me thinking, I mean, what if she was poisoned at school or something?
We've not thought about that, you know.
Yeah. I mean, think about it now. Look at the scenario. She came back from school and went straight to bed to sleep with the brother as usual. And then the mom woke her up after some time and gave her lunch as usual. Then the next thing she started convulsing and, you know, come on. See, bro, I think you should report this to the police. Yeah, so that they can open up an investigation immediately.
We never thought about it, but I think so. Yes.
It makes sense.
Yes.
What about your wife? Like, how is she taking it? Sonia is heartbroken, devastated, of course. You can imagine. I mean, it's never easy to lose a child. My condolences.
Don't be surprised when I put attitude. It will seem like I'm doing wrong. You try to kill me, madam. You try to take away my child. Tell me what I've done wrong. It was only Fairy's fault.
Hey, good morning, bro.
Hey, Steve, how are you?
I'm good. What's up? I mean, I'm just so happy to see you back on your feet again.
Oh, I just had to keep moving on.
That's the spirit. That's the spirit, bro.
I like that. Yes, for reminders, have you called Nollywood Comedies for the advertisement?
Yeah, I did. As a matter of fact, I spoke to Engineer Temple Okeke. Yeah, and he said we'll send in some clips, like kind of samples, so we know what we are doing. And then we can take it up from there.
Alright, please. With regards to our second forthcoming product, please, I would like to personally discuss with Engineer Okeke personally, please, in my office, please.
Okay, I'll make that happen.
Thank you very much.
I'll be in my office. Alright, bro.
Queen! Ma! Where's that?
So you're still out here washing these clothes? This small clothes I asked you to wash, you're still washing it. So you've turned so lazy. Stupid girl. You're still out here washing these clothes. My friend, wash this thing fast and come inside. Nonsense.
Don't be surprised when I put attitude. It will seem like I'm doing wrong. You try to kill me, madam. You try to take away my child. Tell me what I've done wrong. It was only Fairy's fault. Your husband put me in this pain. You want me to run away. It's only my right. I'm sorry that I do you wrong. It wasn't my fault. Money deceived me. Ego deceived me. I didn't know what I was doing. Can't take this pain alone. Oh Lord, come to my rescue. I can't take this anymore. I need to put some match to you. Cause I will remember you. Impossible. Just the way you want me to. While I'm taking the blame, but to say.
You better stop crying downstairs. You better stop crying. If I beat you there, I will beat you up like a small child. You don't know me, oh. You don't know me, this girl.
What happened? No, what happened? Huh? Well, tell me, what happened? She what?
Are you still there?
What? What's going on?
What is this? What is this? I thought you said you stop this.
Look, babe. If you want me to stop what I'm doing right now, you better tell that stupid girl to respect herself and do all the things I want her to do. She should stop telling me she's weak, she's tired. Am I the one that got her pregnant? Am I the one that got her pregnant? She should do all the chores in this house. That is why she said she's a maid. Tell her.
Why should you beat a pregnant?
I will beat her several times. I will beat her up like a small child. The both of you cannot frustrate me. You people cannot frustrate me. You should do what I want her to do or leave my house. Nonsense. You both cannot frustrate me. Stupid people. Don't frustrate me in my own house. Never.
All this is enough of advice. What is wrong with you, really? What is wrong with you, woman?
Why would you keep doing this? When will you stop maltreating that girl? Our daughter is dead. Joyce is dead. Isn't that enough reason for you to stop? Isn't that a sign from God for you to stop? When will you learn, woman?
Felix, I am disappointed. I am disappointed in you. You really think God will punish me because I'm trying to correct my housemate that got pregnant for God's know who? Really?
Give a pregnant woman abortion pills, knowing fully well she could have died.
Please.
Listen here. If I had reported you to the police, you would be in jail by now. Do you know that? Do you?
Felix, enough. Enough with this, your police this, police that. Do you have any evidence? Did you see me do anything? No. So please.
Word is not for the wise. Trust me. If you don't stop, this will come your way.
So you should leave my house. That's all that I want you to leave. If she's not going to leave, let her do the right thing. Nonsense.
Every night you quarrel with your wife, oh. Every morning you quarrel with your wife, oh. Tell us what is the problem. We want to know the real factor. This pregnancy here, we want to know who get them. Now waiting Sonia one here. Happy you want her to have a time. What can she can work?
Hey, my king. Okay, boy. How are you?
I'm fine.
And how's school? Good. I'm sure you're hungry. I made something nice for you. Queen. Take him to his room. Make sure he takes his bath and brings him down, okay? Alright, boy. See you soon, okay? Oh, hey there. Yes, I'm still checking the designs. I'll let you know once I'm done, alright? Okay.
Mr. Felix, please say the truth, say the truth, Every night you quarrel with your wife, every morning you quarrel with your wife, Tell us what is the problem. We want to know the real factor. We want to know. We want to know. We want to know. I so can't miss the video. You fight with your wife, nobody make you. Tell us what is the problem. We want to know the real factor. Every night you quarrel with your wife. Every morning you quarrel with your wife. Tell us now. Tell us what is the problem. We want to know the real factor. There one place you know one here. You see what the cheating costs you. Now family is on fire. Every night you quarrel with your wife, every morning you quarrel with your wife, Tell us what is the problem. We want to know the real factor. Now who do this? You say not James so. But madam, no one here. How do you curious you?
Lucky boy.
You want to know what's up? You want to know who be the father? Father of this child. Your born child. Mr. Felix.
I'm very eating to
please
do
say
your
the truth.
okay?
Say the truth.
Okay, have some fun. It's my son.
Every night you quarrel with your wife, every morning you quarrel with your wife, Tell us what is the problem. We want to know the real factor.
Talk to me, my king. King Honeycomb, I don't know what's going on with you, honey. Boy, what? My king. Honeycomb, please come, please. I need your help. I don't know what's going on with my king. I don't know.
What's wrong?
I don't know. He just
You just what?
No, I don't know.
Boy,
Daddy's here. Talk to Daddy, please. Talk to Daddy.
What happened? What happened to him? What happened?
What's going on? Boy!
Mr. Phillips, I'm sorry. At exactly 3 o'clock, he's there.
King? My king? My king?
Honey, please put yourself together. Honey, come. Honey, darling.
My king! No.
It's the same poison that killed your daughter.
No. Why would anybody just want to be killing my children like that? Why?
Mr. Phillips, you have to report this matter to the police. Okay?
It doesn't make sense. Will my wife kill my children? Why? What have I done? Why? It doesn't make sense to me at all.
Why don't you check the school? Since the incidents happened the same day they returned from the school.
Doc, you have a point, but God knows I'm confused. I'm confused. That's I don't understand what is going on. I don't.
I'm sorry. I'm very sorry. But what I will have to tell you right now is that this matter should be reported to the police.
Choice. Told me to calm down, but really, questions need to be answered, okay? No, questions need to be answered by this woman. No, she needs to answer me. What did I do to you? No, what have I done to you? What have I done to you? Why would you kill my 2 children? Why? No, give me a reason why you killed my 2 children. For what reason? You killed our girl and now our son? Joel and Joy? Because of what? Huh? Because I wouldn't see reasons with you?
Oh, please stop. I can kill my children. I can't. How can I kill my king? How can I kill my joy?
And how can't you kill them? What are you all about?
No, stop.
Please, stop this! Excuse me, please. You told me not to get violent. I've been holding myself because in my heart, oh God, have mercy. I'm beating this woman clean blue knockout. I'm telling you. In my heart, I've really done something very terrible to this woman.
Bro, stop.
No, don't tell me to stop it, please. You said I shouldn't get violent, but please let me talk. You are the only person in this house who has tried poisoning somebody. You're the only person. You tried poisoning her.
No, I can't.
The same poison killed your 2 children. Our 2 children. So if the police comes right now, are you going to exonerate yourself? Are you?
No, I did not try to poison her. I only gave her potion pills.
Can you hear that rubbish? What about potion pills? You're a murderer.
Come, fellas, this is not the time to apportion blames, okay? I know how terrible you feel. Yes, but this is the time you need to stick together as man and wife. Not this infighting.
What?
No, you don't need this infighting.
What you say? It's man a murderer? Can you live with a murderer? No, can you live with a murderer in your house?
Come, bro, you cannot confirm it. You don't have evidence. Okay? Yes, you don't. But one thing is certain. someone in this house poisoned those kids.
Yeah, she's the one. And she is the one. She's the one who did it. Oh, you stop this crocodile tears. Look, guy, I go beat this girl.
Bro, calm down. Bro, calm down. I'm not fighting you, but calm down. Sit down.
I cannot live without my children. I cannot live without my children.
Come on, fellas. It's okay. Sonia, put yourself together. It's okay.
Why would somebody want to kill her children? I mean, why? What type of woman is Sonia? Has she always been like this, or something just changed? I don't understand. Is it because of Queen's pregnancy? Poison? In my house?
What's going on in this house? Who is after me? Is this Queen's doing? But there was no chance for her to poison my children's food. So who did it? Even if she wants to poison anybody, it should be me. Is something wrong with me? Did I poison their food unknown to me?
Seriously, I don't know what's going on. I really don't understand what is going on. I don't. I lost a child 2 weeks ago, and now yesterday lost another one. I don't know. I can't fathom what is going on.
Involve the police? No, I've not involved the police yet. Of course not. My wife will be the prime suspect. Do I want her to go through that again? She's going through a lot right now. Seriously, I'm going through a lot. I am. This is just too heavy for me. 2 children gone just like that? Huh? Please, I'll talk to you. Look, my heart is heavy right now. I'll talk to you, please. I'll talk to you later, please. Later.
Good afternoon, sir.
Yeah, good afternoon. What is it?
I'm actually coming from the hospital. I went for a scan. I've gone before, but I did not tell you. I'm carrying twins.
What did you say?
Carrying twins.
Twins? You're carrying twins in here. Oh my God, you're carrying twins. Thank you. Look, on no account should anybody hear of this, okay? Nobody should know, not even James, please. You're carrying twins. Thank you. Just take care of yourself. Be careful, okay? Be careful, please, okay? I'll see you later. Please be careful, okay? Twins. Twins. Yes. Yes. It's a blessing. God is restoring all my losses. It's a blessing. It's a blessing. It's a blessing.
Mr. Felix.
Yes.
You shouldn't feel bad about what I'm about to tell you.
Okay.
This is the second time your wife had CS. And because of the complication, her womb was affected.
Doctor, I don't understand. What are you trying to say, please?
What I mean is that she may not be able to conceive again. I'm sorry,
Doctor. Doctor. Is she at least okay?
Yeah, she's fine. She's fine. Just take it easy, okay? Just.
Hey, congratulations, bro. Finally.
Yes.
Finally. See, bro, I really don't know if I should call this bad news or good news. You know, but to me, twins sounds like a great blessing.
Yes.
I mean, judging from the recent loss of children.
Of course. And again, you told me to get an appointment for her, which is what I would really do.
Yeah, but
yes, I have to.
But what about Sonia? I mean, if Sonia finds out she might do something stupid, you know, Sonia.
I don't understand. Like, do something like what?
No, you look at it now. You lost your kids, and now you're trying to relocate Queen.
Yeah, so what do you want me to do?
I think you should hold on for now. Just hold on when she recovers. And if she starts maltreating Queen again, then you have all the reasons in the world to relocate Queen.
Listen, if she maltreats Queen any further, I might just be tempted to tell Sonia and twins. I'm not joking.
No, you're not going to.
I'm telling you, I might just say I'm the owner of the pregnancy. Seriously, I might just do that.
No, bro, you're not going to do that.
Okay, just keep watching.
Come on, you know what Sonia can do, right? Do not dare the fury of your woman.
Ma, you called me, Ma.
Yes. Queen.
Ma.
Queen, look. I know that I have been so bad to you. I know that I have done so many inhuman things to you. I also tried to kill your child. So Queen, please, I need you to tell me the truth. Queen, did you kill my babies to get back at me?
No. Ma, no. Never. I would never do anything like that. Joy and Joe were so nice to me, even when you were mean to me, but I would never do anything like that. God would never forgive me.
So who did? Because I know that someone in this house killed my children, someone killed my babies. Who did?
I don't know. Who would want to do anything like that?
It's fine. It's okay, just go get me something to eat. I'm so weak. I can't. Just go. Yeah. Oh, I'm good. God, I can't get over this. I can't get over this. God.
You want me to make food for you? Well, you just gave me the key to end your life. How will I pay it? Okay. It has to be a suicide. That is the best way. But how? She took her life. She ate poison and dropped a note confessing and stating why she has to take her life. Perfect. Perfect, Queen.
Your food is ready, ma. Okay, you can dish it out.
Are you okay, ma?
Yes, I'm fine. My head is aching. I'm fine.
Sorry, ma.
Thank you.
This is right.
Okay, I want you to help me go down the road, the 4th Street, you know the chemist there. I asked him to prescribe some drugs for me, so he'll give it to you. Let me get you some cash.
Okay.
Okay. Tell him how to make it transfer. Speak it to me. Okay. Alright. Please hurry up. I feel so sick. Okay. Yes. Inspector Chooks. Yes, please, I need you to come to my house right now. Very urgent, please. Okay. Thank you, I trust you, thank you. Honey? Where are you? Oh, perfect. Okay, yeah, come back home. Yes, I'm waiting for you. Just come back. Yeah. Thank you so much for coming on time. Thank you. Okay, come in. Juice! Make a record.
Don't worry.
Are you okay?
I'm fine. I have everything under control. Just go get evidence. Just go upstairs, please. Go. Jokes is fine. Just go. Oh.
Die just like your kids. Yes, I killed them. I killed them. I killed Joy and I killed Joe. I killed them. Sonia. Sonia, you tried severally to kill me. You tried to kill my babies, but no. God did not let your evil plan to work. You know it's gonna take about this house and your husband will come. Me? Of course, I want to know why. Because I am actually carrying his babies, his twins. I'm carrying his babies right here.
No, please stop.
I actually did not want any of this. I didn't want to kill Joe. I didn't want to kill Joe.
To die, my Tommy.
These little angels. I didn't want to hurt them. But they're wicked. Evil woman, Sonia. You tried to get rid of me severally. But guess who's going to die first now? You! You will die first! You, Sonia, you will die first. I have something for you. In here. I prepared a beautiful note. Your suicide note. Listen, let's see that. I'm sorry, my lovely husband. It was out of pressure that I killed my kids to get back on. I know you were responsible for Queen's pregnancy, but I could not prove it. I brought joy and joy into this world and I returned them. Now I have to join them so you can live your life the way you want it. Shut it! Shut your mouth! Shut it and listen! Listen to your suicide note. Listen. Please. My death comes without regret. Please. This is what I want. And I am happy to join my kids. Take it easy, son. Your wife. Sonia. No. This is for you. This is for you. You're dying. She's dying. Oh! You're dying. You're dying. You can't talk. You're dying. Yes. Oh! You're dying. I'm going to place this close to you. I wish I could ask your soul to rest in peace, but you don't deserve peace in your afterlife.
She's dying.
Jesus.
Oh my God.
Where is Oga? Oga no dey.
Is she dead?
Oga no
Is she
dey.
dead? Is she? She's fine. What are we going to do?
Jesus.
What are we going to do, James? She cannot die. No, she can't.
Madam. Ah! Jesus! Madam. Madam. You are alive. Thank God.
You're Queen. Queen, you killed my children?
Jesus! Queen, you did?
Okay.
You didn't do it.
I'll keep this for evidence.
Don't tell me you're a slow poison.
No! You tried to poison me. What are you saying? I did not kill your children. I did not kill our children, I swear. Why are you saying me like this to me? You're pregnant for my husband.
Hey! Now you tell her.
Queen, what have I not done for you? Tell me, what have I not done for you?
Don't repeat all this one.
Mary brought you to my house as an orphan. What have I not done to you? You sleep with my husband. And killing my children is a justification for your wickedness.
Now you kill them. No! Don't do them by law.
Enough. Enough. I have had enough. Juice. Yes. I'm out. I have had enough. I cannot banter words with my housemaid. Never.
Madam, who is truth? You kill them?
It's just lying.
Wait, did you kill them?
She's trying to implicate. I did not. How will I do it?
Are you sure?
She has been the one trying to kill me. She has been the one.
Okay. Policeman.
I have your confession recorded here. I witnessed everything. You have the right to remain silent.
Okay, good action. I'm not involved.
What is going on here? What's happening, honey? What's going on? Why is the police officer in my house?
Queen killed our children. Queen killed your Joe and Joy.
This girl is a slow poison.
And she's trying to kill me too. This is not even my handwriting, but I'm sure you wouldn't notice. Take it! Your side chick tried to kill your wife! Just as she killed your children.
You are a slow poison.
Enough.
If you talk now, I will slap you.
I am enough. Shut up, Jake! I said shut up!
You have the right to remain silent.
Okay, you speak big grammar. Carry this person come on. Carry this person come on. Carry and go. Okay, you go slap her. I no go slap her. Slap her. Into your pikin. Eh? Why are you so wicked? Eh? Idiot.
Not even a word.
Everyone has done against me over a mistake I did for some weeks. I was convinced to do so. I didn't see what is wrong, though it's wrong somehow, but it's already a made mistake. I will remember you just the way you want me to. Treat me bad right now, my soul. Do you know I feel pain too? I will remember you just the way you want me to. Treat me bad right